Jasmy coin price prediction. Right here, I want to show you a few trades that I took from the last videos. I gave you this long, this long, this short, this long. In the last video, I said we'll have a nice pump for a retrace, and that's exactly what happened. So the question is, what will happen now? I gave you two scenarios because I do not want to waste a second of your time. This is the first one, this is the second one. First scenario is we go to 14.4 to 14.6. This is where a lot of liquidations are, around 200k worth of liquidation, around 100k worth of liquidations combined right here. On the long side, if we go here, we wait for a retrace, especially close shorting on the longs, closing on the 5 minute, we enter short, or here we enter long if shorts are closing on the 5 minute, which is something we're looking for right here. If you want a little bit more details, and if you want to get my live signals, they will be in the description down below. Also, the longer term time frame, we're not looking very bullish. I'm definitely looking for a continuation to the downside, because we're just retracing from every time we touch the EMA. At this point, we're definitely printing lower lows and lower highs, so we're in a confirmed downtrend. We'll see how it goes, though. It's going to be very interesting. Let me know your thoughts about Jasmy in the comment section down below. Also, in the description, I'll add 8 grand worth of bonuses from BingX and a link to my course, which I've priced pretty cheap, I think, because it has all my secret weapons, everything that basically I'm using, and I'll be updating it with more futures stuff. There in future examples of real trades I just took, and how they played out and how you can play something similar. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. See you next one. Bye.